Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your API version in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So first, we need just to go to the setup. So as you can see here in this icon, we are interested on clicking on the setup menu, and then we will need to go to the setup. Either you go to the surface service setup or setup, doesn't matter. So basically from here, we need just to type company information so we can have more info about our organization. From here, we can find company information and we click on it. And as you can see, now we have all the informations about the organization. So now you can either deactivate your organization, edit something in it like permissions, licenses, etc. So as you can see, those are all the information about your company. And all you need to do is to start seeing the organization details. So from here, we can find the name, etc. So which we are interested in is this column. And basically from here, you can see things concerning your version and your organization. So now you can see that those are your API requests, etc. And from here you can see your organization edition. And basically your organization edition is what uh, necessary to use for your APIs or that you would need to work with some features of Salesforce, etc. So simply you need just to see your organization edition, and then you can see also some API requests that you can do and your maximum, etc. etc. So simply that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.